Designed for quick attachment to compatible high-pressure washers. Adjustable spray patterns to meet various cleaning needs. Made from high-quality materials for reliable performance. Designed for quick attachment to compatible high-pressure washers. Rotate 360 degrees, allowing for easy maneuverability and coverage. It ensures that every corner and surface can be reached and cleaned effectively. Adjustable nozzle head, easy flow control. Easily adjustable to water flow and patterns. Quick and easily connected. Ideal for reach the bottom of your car in the hard-to-reach areas. Drain pipe cleaning kit compatible with Total Tools high-pressure washer. Drain pipe cleaning. Pipe cleaning hose with spring head.